What is up, bros and does? It's April 29th here in Indiana. It's turkey season. I've only went one time this year, opening day. Went in the morning, no gobbles, no sign of a turkey. Went in the afternoon, saw 2 toms at about 100 yards. But I forgot my call in the truck. And it's wide open field, there was no stalking them or nothing. So I had to just watch them go into the woods and disappear. But we're out at the deer hunting property. There's a lot of turkeys out here, just not normally in the springtime. But we're gonna see what happens. We should at least hear a gobble out here, that's for sure. There's so many turkeys. Maybe we'll call one in, maybe not. I know there's a few bearded hens, bunch of jakes, bunch of toms, so we'll take what we can get. We'll shoot a jake today. But anyways, sun's about to start rising. Turkey's about to start gobbling. We're gonna see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. Jeez. Let's go! It is a jake, I will say. But first jake I ever shot. So that's cool. Didn't stand a chance. But But oh yeah, he got a little 4-incher. Not bad. No spurs. Barely any tail fin. Let's go! That was freaking awesome. Let's go. All on video, dude. Both cameras.
Dude, quickest turkey hunt of the season.
Quickest turkey hunt ever.
Ever.
First Jake, too. I never saw a Jake.
20 million views.
He got no tail fin. He got about 4 inches of beard. But a turkey's a turkey, baby. They all got breasts. Tell you what, pretty awesome. Definitely the quickest turkey hunt I've ever been on. Turkey on the roost, gobbling. I walked past him on the hill because they always fly this way. That way's real steep. If they fly that way, they're going all the way down to the river. And I didn't really feel like walking all the way down there. And most of the time they come this way. So I walked past him on the hill. I was probably like 50 yards from him in the tree. Just walked right past him. Leaves on the tree, so he didn't really see me at all, I don't think. And came down the hill, right to where they funnel, going down the trail. And sat behind that log and didn't even look. Just did a couple chirps. Just like that. And then I hear something in the leaves. Sound like a squirrel. But I wasn't looking, you know. Can't get caught too early. But anyways, didn't move, didn't look. Heard something in the leaves. Then I heard a couple little putts. Not like he was running away, but just like he was close. And there he was. I see his head come out. He's already locked in on me. He knows something ain't right. My camera's got a red microphone on it, so he probably thought it was an ugly looking decoy or something. Didn't know what to think. And yeah, didn't see his beard or nothing. I just seen his bright red head. So I blasted. And bam. Turkey down. Good old TSS, about 30 yards. Smoked him. He still flopped quite a bit, but you know, you have that. But yeah, it was a pretty great morning. Probably gonna be a short video. Not much build up to it at all. Yeah. Great morning. Hopefully we can find a morel on our way out. But I'm gonna take some pictures. And yeah, it's a great day to be alive. Sun's still shining when I close my eyes. Y'all stay tuned for more. Peace out.